So we have the senior leadership of Grindstar with us at IMTEX 2025, who are going to tell us about the new products, the new initiatives that they're going to have this year with us. So firstly, what's new this year? So what have you introduced this year?
So this year we are up with our new product, which is the V4, which we are offering in the single spindle as well as a wheel track changer option. So this gives the flexibility to the user as to how we can use the machine. So I think that is one focus, and along with that is also our auto loader that we have here with us. So this gives us an option to explore the market outside India as well. I think that is the main thing that we are here to display, and with our standard product W4, which is already running in the market from a couple of years.
Right. Suppose we talk about some of the sustainable solutions, some initiatives that you already have introduced. Some details on that as well.
So we're basically here to innovate with a couple of options here in this machine, especially in which we are offering a high frequency spindle option, wherein you can grind pockets which are used in the PCD industry. Basically, this is in the next generation of technology that is going to be the future of cutting tools. So I think that is one very big initiative that we have here.
You would like to share any plans, any products that's there in the pipeline, any growth figures for the coming 1 year?
I think one is to stabilize and to make bigger situation of what we have, because we are here in the market now for about 5-6 years. One is to grow at a steady pace, and also we are looking to add our new machine with a 6 wheel pack changer and also a blank grinding soon. So I think these are the new initiatives that we are taking.
Thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you.
I'm Amol M, managing partner of Grindstar Machinery. A small introduction about Grindstar would be we are into basically 5-axis tool and cutter grinding solutions, which are used to make cutting tools primarily, and any grinding related or SPM related machines is our focus.